guys, how are you? Welcome to Management Guide by Sadaf Minhaj, and today we are going to discuss about the second part of reading skills, that is about scanning. What is reading? We have discussed in my earlier session. Reading is an ability to read the text given to you with a proper meaning. So if you are reading a text without the meaning, it will be not a proper reading. Now in my first session we have discussed about skimming. Now we are moving towards scanning. Scanning is used to find out a particular piece of information. Run your eyes over the text looking for the specific piece or particular piece of information you need to know. For example, train on an aeroplane schedule. So it's not an easy task. Basically, scanning is the process when you have if you want to search a particular piece of information, what in your mind will be going on. You must have certain questions in your mind and you are searching the answer of that particular question. So I can simply say scanning is the process of finding out the answer of a particular question in your mind. You are searching for that answer or a certain information or particular information and skipping rest of other information that is provided in the piece of text. You are just focusing on the answer of your question. You just pick up the keywords from the text that you think is the requirement of your answer. For example, if you get this schedule of a train or an aeroplane, what in your mind question was that what is the time of the your flight or the train, what is the number of the train, and what is the schedule or the route of the train. So in what you will go to scan, what your eyes will scan in that the chart or the schedule given, directly your eyes will focus to the information about the time, the date, the number of the train. So this is actually scanning is. For example, if you are giving the graph or the chart about the population growth of various countries in this world, and since I belong to Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, or in any other particular country, and I will directly focus or my eyes will scan directly towards my country population growth. This is scanning, that I directly skip all the other information given in the chart, various about other countries, and directly jump over the question answer of the question that was in my mind about the growth rate of my own country. So this is scanning. And scanning is not an easy task. It needs a lot of practice. Whenever you do, how much practice you will do, you will able to dig out or to filter the answer of your question, or to filter or dig out the correct information that you was searching for. What happens when you are good at skimming? You become a fast reader. You read fastly and just pick up the required information. For example, this will here again I will give you an example of shopping. Now this is not a window shopping as we have discussed about our process in skimming. This is a shopping with a proper glossary list in your hand, and you know that you are going to buy a bottle of milk, and you will directly go to the milk area and pick over the particular brand of the milk you wanted. So this is scanning. Again, I can give you an example of the menu card of a Pizza Hut or any particular restaurant, where you already know if you want to buy the cheapest pizza, or if you want to buy a tikka pizza or a fajita pizza, you will directly move your eyes, or your eyes will directly start scanning from the variety of the pizza, and immediately you will find out, you will dig out the particular pizza you wanted. required to have. So scanning help you a lot to find out the accurate answer of the question or the particular information of the question or you require to find out. So in this way we have completed our scanning section of the scanning section, that is the part 2 of our reading session. So till now, in my last session we have discussed about reading, skimming, and in my this section we have discussed about scanning. In my new session we will be going to discuss about the other two types of the reading, that is intensive reading and extensive reading. In this way all the 4 parts of the reading will be completed. Thanks from this side, from my side today.